Now, come on, to be truly inclusive, we should look at installing Python on macOS. Our later or newer releases of macOS do not ship with Python 3. Earlier versions did ship with Python 2, but that is now deprecated, so we definitely don't want to be working with that. Now, we can go to python.org and download our installers for Mac OS, but you could also use products like Homebrew package managers for the Mac OS to install from the command line. We'll be taking a look at how we can download it from the website. For the moment, though, let's take a look at my host operating system, which is Mac OS. I have got Python installed, but I do know it's not the very latest version. Similarly to a Linux system, I have to run Python 3 and not Python. But when I go through and look at the version, we've got a later version 3.12.4, and this certainly could work for me, but we do know there is a later version available, 3.13. So why don't we get the latest version? Now, we can get that version through the python.org website. So let me move out to my browser, and we can move down to Downloads and Mac OS, and we can see then all of the releases that we have for the Mac OS. But I'm going to concentrate on the 64-bit Universal Installer. We can download that and then open up the installer. As I run through, we can read the screen if we really want, but very often we know we're just going to be clicking continue. We have to look at the license agreement and accept the license agreement. It warns me about the disk space that is going to consume, and of course I need to add my credentials to install the software. So it can run away at its own pace, updating my version of Python. But once this is installed, we'll be able to see that I have now got Python 3.13 on my system, rather than what I previously had with 3.12. We have our summary screen, which I can close, and I can move the installer through to the bin. Moving back now through to my command line, if I run this same command again, we're going to see now that I've got Python 3.13.0. So the upgrade was successful. But whilst we're working at the command line, it doesn't matter whether we're working at Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. If we make a mistake and type Python 3 or Python, we're going to open up the Python interpreter. Now, we can work at this Python command line, but often people get stuck in it because to exit, we must use a Python function. So exit and then our parentheses. So just in case you make a mistake, let's make sure that you understand how you can back out of it.